It is deep winter in the northern United States. The ice keeps the river to a trickle. As the months pass by, the weather warms up. Ice melts. The massive frozen water transforms into a raging river. Even in such a hostile environment, life arrives. And shockingly, in the opposite direction, against the flow. Fish are battling these currents. Hundreds and thousands of them are migrating from the ocean to ponds far inland. These are the same ponds where their lives began a few years ago. They remember the unique taste of the water. Using this as a homing beacon, they trace their path through the rivers to the ponds. Known as Alewife, these fish embark on a harrowing journey to complete the cycle of life. Those arriving late are stranded in a severe traffic jam. A bunch of them go rogue. They swim fast and close to the surface, running over the top of the traffic to get to the front of the line. And now they make a leap against the stream. But they have to deal with human obstructions. For thousands of years, the alewives have made this journey. But much has changed now. The rivers it has long traversed are no longer the same. Human progress has reshaped the landscape, blocking these pathways with barriers unknown to these fish. The alewife's instinctive urge is so strong that it does not turn back. It presses on, even if it means certain death. Then they see an easy path out of here. In the rush, they fail to notice it is taking them in the opposite direction. Here, they meet an unplanned destiny. They are harvested for commercial fishing to be used as bait fish. Many perish even before reaching their nursery. The rest of them march on. To overcome these barriers, ladders are built. These fish ladders are conduits that bypass the barriers, providing a safe path to the spawning ponds. After beating all the odds, the fish arrive at their birthplace. Here, they release millions of eggs and the males fertilize them. Their parental duties are over. Alewife do not take care of their eggs nor their young ones. Now, the adults have to make their journey back to their home, the ocean. Swimming downstream, after all, should be easy. This poses a different danger. Hungry mouths are waiting at the shallows. This girl has spotted a fish. The fish too has spotted the girl and randomly changes its direction and speed to create confusion. Charged. Missed. Time to watch the experts. A black-crowned night heron is a specialist hunter. This too has spotted a fish and carefully positions itself. With extreme speed and force, it plunges into the water. Got it. The fish is so stunned that for a fraction of a second, there is a deathly calm. Then it puts on a futile struggle. This doesn't go unnoticed. The gull swoops in and snatches the fish. Now, this is a better strategy. In nature, catching the food is only half the job. Eating it is another battle. Fights break out. Beaks clash. The heron is smaller than the gull, but it still tries to chase it away from its precious feeding grounds. There is another bird who is unfazed by all this commotion. A great blue heron is a large, strong bird, and nobody will dare to fight. Still, it is worth a try. Peace at last. Now the heron can cherish its catch. Enriched by fish, the shallow waters support an incredible diversity of life. There are places where the water is covered with foliage, providing ideal hiding spots for the fish. But the safety is short-lived. A specialist hunter patrols these murky waters. Anhinga, also known as darter or snakebird, unlike other water birds, does not have oil glands to waterproof its feathers. This gives an advantage of speed underwater to chase and spear a fish. And here it has caught a fish. To eat head first, it tosses in the air. A scene that lasted only 1.5 seconds is slowed down that reveals a battle, a continuous battle for life. The fish escapes. It got a chance to live again. It is evening. The birds have had their fill and are heading to roost. This is the window for the fish to escape the dangerous barrier. First, they check out if all is clear. Then, they make the dash through the steep cascade to get into safer waters. The safety of deep river doesn't last long. There is another barrier to pass. The dam. And here lies the next challenge. A short distance of running shallow water on concrete stands in the way to freedom. And they have no choice other than to run the gauntlet. One wrong move, there is a trap. The water is too shallow at the edges. Casualty piles up. And here is an exhausted fish. A fish whose life is nothing but a continuous battle to survive. After 4 years in the ocean, only 1 in 200,000 live to make this journey. And now it is fighting to get back to the ocean, and if it lives, it will return next year. In this journey, the fish, both in life and in death, built a vital ecological bridge between the land and the ocean. Inland, the habitat is enriched by the ocean nutrients through these fish. And the next generation, millions of them, replenish the ocean. In this relentless fight to continue the cycle of life, perhaps the fish challenges us. A challenge to protect natural habitats and make safe pathways for these incredible animals with whom we share this planet. Can we take up this challenge? Yes, made it.